Is what you've said tonight supposed to add up somehow to something?
Yes.
Okay. Grace?
Oh, shit.
I've been having an affair.
Providing the world with dope-ass entertainment, disregarding hoes, and acquiring payments. My name is Soleil, and welcome back to a brand spanking new gameplay. Today I bring you Facade, and just get ready for the fuckery to pop off because everything is not as it seems. We've been invited to a gathering of some longtime friends of ours, y'all, and let's hope it just all doesn't end in tragedy. Let's see.
Chip, when are you going to get rid of this?
What, Grace, this?
Yes, you know how I feel.
I just wanna, before we even begin,
You know, I've had to ask
we ain't even knocked on the door yet. These motherfuckers already arguing. Okay.
Fine, Trip, fine.
Oh, she's here.
You damn right. Open this door up, bitch. Open it up. Open it up.
She's here now.
Trip,
Stop fucking fighting. Open this damn door up.
Diana! Hey! God, it's been so long since we've seen
Yes,
you.
girl, it's been a minute. Come
How
on,
are you
y'all
doing?
great, bitch.
Yeah, hi. Wow, it's really great
Shut
to
the
see
fuck
you.
up, Trip.
Come on in.
Shut the fuck up, Trip. It's a nice place you
No,
niggas
here
got
we
here.
are.
I like this. I like this. Bitch, I like this.
Diana.
I have to
Hi,
alert the home.
how
We have to
are you?
rob y'all. This
Oh,
shit
it's
is
so nice to see you. It feels like it's
Shut
been
the fuck
forever.
up, Grace. Okay.
That's funny. I said
Why
the same
is
thing.
why is the background moving like that? Okay. Girl is
And I
tripping me
have
up.
to say, you look great.
You look great. Oh. Don't get me on that too.
Well, Diana.
Yeah.
Maybe you've already had a drink or two on the way
Hey,
over here. I don't
yes.
know.
Bitch, I'm lit.
So come in, make yourself at home.
You damn right, I sure will.
I'll close the door.
Yeah, I don't know. That's white people
So,
shit. I don't know why you got this door
Diana,
open.
I'm hoping
What?
you can help me understand where I went wrong with my new decorating. You know, when I look at this wedding picture hanging here in this
What,
room,
Grace? What's up?
There's nothing wrong with it.
Shut
it
the fuck
obviously
up,
just
Trip.
does not go
So punk,
anymore.
back up.
I mean, with my new decorating and all.
Like, why are you in my shit?
Grace.
Yes. What's up? Yeah.
Oh, that was,
Ha ha. Ha ha.
Anyway, what were we talking about?
About me
Diana.
stealing your girl?
Food, the
You got me
wine,
looking
the
at fucking
art,
grass.
the art. Isn't that right, Grace?
Diana, I liked your answer better.
Damn it, Grace. I was trying to give us a romantic weekend in Europe together.
What is with you and your obsession with
Look
Europe?
at
You're
these
taking up
niggas,
goddamn
bro.
business trips there as it is.
Bruh,
I'm not
shut
obsessed
the fuck up,
with
y'all.
Europe.
Stop.
You want to be seen as the sophisticated traveler. And I missed my friend's art show.
What? Who is this?
A friend from college had a gallery show of his new paintings that weekend.
Is it Vincent? Let me stop.
Ugh, you're driving me insane.
We gotta let them fight, y'all.
What? What are you saying to me? What?
Obsessed with Europe.
Be nice.
You never call me when...
Hey, no. It's just gonna make this whole thing worse if you keep criticizing me.
You're acting like an asshole. What you want me to do?
All right. You know what? Diana, I need to ask you something.
Trip.
Grace, let me ask our guest a question.
Here we
Diana,
go.
yes or no?
Here we go again.
A person in a
What?
marriage should believe it when one tells the other how they feel about them, right?
What?
I mean, when you're married, you should trust what the other person says they feel about you, right? Yes or no?
Maybe.
What? Oh, okay. Sure. Oh, Grace, I love you. You're my
don't
wife.
even.
I love you, and you're accusing me. I don't even know what. I don't know what you're accusing me of. I love you. Don't you know that?
What the fuck we're fighting about?
Damn it.
Like, what are they even fighting
Oh,
about?
Yeah, good. Go away. I can't stand you. Damn it, Trip. Trip can just be so...
Get out here, Trip.
Oh, so we're talking about me.
Okay, is he
are
coming
we?
in here?
What?
About to come barging in. Through the Really?
Ah,
Diana, you're saying I'm lying?
see, you lied to me before. Aha.
Hey, no. Don't try to accuse me of
I'll make sure they
anything,
get
Maria.
real triggered, bitch.
Oh,
Look.
No. Don't talk about
Who?
infidelity. Come on.
Who's Maria, Trip? Trip, who's Maria?
Diana, you know, we already talked about
No, we
that.
didn't. Who is Maria, Trip?
Okay, I'm sick of this bullshit. Diana, I know what you're hinting
Yeah,
at.
you do.
About me? About our
Okay.
marriage?
Out with it.
Do you really want the truth? Huh?
Jerry.
Grace?
Jerry,
Huh?
Yes.
Jerry,
Diana,
Jerry.
see, I've actually been paying close attention to what
Have you?
you've
Because
been
it
saying.
took you long fucking enough.
You've been really pushing me tonight.
You damn right. You lying asshole.
And I wonder, are you really my friend or not?
No. I fucked with Grace.
Diana, come on, yes or no? Do you really think that praising Grace, kissing Grace,
Yes.
and worst of all, suggesting that I'm cheating on Grace? And what you said about believing what the other person is saying,
Trip, you such a
that
bitch.
it's all supposed to make me realize something about myself?
Yes.
Is what you've said tonight supposed to add up somehow to something?
Yes.
Okay. Grace,
Oh, shit.
I've been having an affair.
Oh my god.
It's over now, though.
Girl, this tea is good, bitch.
With the client in Barcelona.
Maria.
Maria.
I was lonely, Grace,
She was riding Trip's penis.
but I regret it. I really, really regret it.
Do you, Trip? Do you? Okay.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Diana,
Hey, you had to find out some way. My spirit,
What?
my Shondo was telling me.
this changes
It
everything.
does. I
Yes,
broke these fools
it
up.
does
That's a
change
damn
everything.
shame. She had to know the truth. Wait, where this nigga going? Trip.
I think it's over.
Oh shit.
Trip, what?
No. It's over, Grace. Don't you see that?
Trip.
But you
I
just
just
said
told you something about me I should have said a long time ago.
Girl, I got up out the seat.
I cheated on you. I betrayed you.
Trip, no.
No,
we
Grace, this is about me. I see now it's not about you or about our marriage.
me?
Oh,
Our
it's
marriage?
Oh,
Hey, no,
Trip!
wait.
Ooh,
Diana,
Trip was a bitch anyway,
I'm
but
sorry.
still.
You really helped me
I
though.
didn't-
So, thanks.
Trip.
Oh shit.
Trip!
No. I mean yes, but I mean oh no.
Oh my god.
Girl.
I should have told him that I could have told him that
Girl, what? It's dramatic, but it had to happen. Grace, I'm sorry, but like, I gotta fucking roast you. Like, what the fuck is literally going on with your physique right now? Like, bitch, you are built like Plank from Ed, Edd n Eddy. Like, what is going on with you? Bitch, you are giving me trapezoids, parallelograms, rhombuses, girl. What is happening right now? Like, what is up with your haircut? Like, did you go to the barber and ask him for the Pythagorean theorem? Like, what is going on? Like, you got this hypotenuse covering up your motherfucking ears, girl. I just can't. And Trip ain't never been shit for letting you walk out the fucking house like that. I don't get it. And then you got these baby, let's get married. I just want to get married. Jagged edge ass bangs. Look at you. You are out here looking like a grown ass Lincoln log. Girl, your whole head is constructed like remedial geometry, but I guess I can. All right, I'm gonna end it right there. I tried to hit on Grace, but I just couldn't get jiggy with that shit. This bitch is just constructed like an entire Lego castle. I don't have time for her. So if you like this, give it a thumbs up. Where the thumbs at from the front to back, you already know. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Remember the name, Soleil, aka Heat Miser, aka Madam Moneybags Esquire, aka The Devices, aka your wife, aka BKB. I'm a BRB soon with the next upload video, so stay tuned. And that's that. I'm gonna hit y'all with this Soleil salute, and I will see you next time.